Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to answer the multiple questions of people saying, where did you get your wallpaper on the PC? So I stumbled upon this and I found it to be nice. So that's what I actually have installed as a wallpaper for now. So it's very simple. The way I did it to get this was simply do a Google image search. So I went to Google and I clicked on the image search portion, and I actually said or search for cool Windows wallpaper 4K. So I looked at that, and this is all the results that come up. Gives you different wallpapers. When you click on one, you could see it appears on the right side. It has a very nice resolution. This is very important if you want your wallpaper to be beautiful. Make sure you got the right high resolution. And all I could do is, well, if I wanted this one, I just right click on it, save image as, and then of course I open it in the photo app and set it as a wallpaper. So when I did that search, when you go down, you'll see that the one that I have actually right now is within this list there. Here it is. This is the one I'm having on my PC right now. So this is simply the way that I search for it. So go and check it out. There's a lot of wallpapers out there that could be interesting of all sorts. There's another one more kind of colorful here. You could see that there's a lot of stuff that you can apply and, check out for your own PC. There's one in green is kind of nice. For Windows 10, that would be nice. There's a very colorful one here. That's pretty cool too. Glass, colorful, abstract. So this is beautiful too. So for example, I'll give you the example that I was saying. So save as. It saves in the downloads for me, and it's Windows 11 glass. Save. Now, if I click open, it opens in the photo app. And when you right click on a picture, you can set as the lock screen or the background. So if I click background, now if I close this, here's my new wallpaper that I've just put on my PC. So simple as that. That's how I got those Windows wallpapers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.